Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farida Ulfa, NPM 21010110, Program Studi Pendidikan Agama Islam. The end of the prophethood of Muhammad. According to Islamic belief, Muhammad rose to serve as a messenger for God, delivering God's words, the Quran, and acting as a model for Muslims. After 23 years of acting as prophet of God, his mission was complete. The Quran was finalized and recorded on script and permanent letter and bound, but more importantly memorized completely by many of Muhammad's companions. The pre-Islamic tradition of memorizing long poems gave the Arab the ability to maintain and ensure the preservation of Islam's holy book. Narration of Muhammad's action and saying were also given due importance. They spread throughout Arabia by word of mouth. According to Islamic tradition, one of the final verses on the Quran referred to Muhammad stated, "Today I have perfected for you your religion on complete my favor upon you and have approved for you Islamic as your religion." Muhammad fell ill in the early summer of 632. The experienced debilitating headaches and a fever, and was soon unable to work without the help of his cousin Ali and his uncle Abbas. When he was unable to lead the 5 daily prayer in the mosque, he appointed his close friend and companion Abu Bakr to lead them in his place. He spent his final days in the house of his wife Aisyah, the daughter of Abu Bakr. From a wall adjoining the home to the mosque, he was able to watch the Muslim community follow his instruction to worship God. Even in his absence, it was no doubt an emotional time for his followers, who had been with him through the difficult days in Mecca. The first battle against Quraysh, where we established his authority, and his triumphant boldest conquest of Mecca. They had looked to Muhammad for guidance and leadership in all aspects of life. His increasing talk of death and the fact that the West now unable to even raise up the Lord time is prayer played heavily on the hearts of the Muslim community. His final days were spent resting in his home with his head in the lap of his wife Aisyah. Close family members and friends visited, hoping to see some sign of recovery in their leader. But one of the central aspects of Islam, uncompromising monotheism, Muhammad proved that only God is divine. All other creatures, whether they were animals, humans, or even angels, were experienced death according to Islamic belief. Thus, really they were prepared for his passing, recognizing that Islam would indeed continue after him. Muhammad's followers, deeply emotional, invested in this man that had led them out of the area of pre-Islamic polytheism on tribal warfare called no image life without him. On 8 June 632, with his heart on Aisyah's lap and his followers gathered in the mosque, hoping to hear of his recovery, the first era of Islam history, spanning the 23 years of prophethood, ended as the Prophet Muhammad breathed his last. Al-Kitab Alkitab 2017. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.